Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belinda and today I'm going to be doing a flip through of the Inklings colouring book and also doing a speed colouring of an image from it. Let's pop in and have a look. So guys, I've had this beautiful book a little while now and decided to do a flip through and a speed colouring of one of the cute images out of the book. These charming ladies are beautifully drawn and they really do give you the freedom to do whatever you want to do with them. They are printed on Create Space paper. I did, for the purpose of doing the colouring at the end, transfer the image onto Express Set blending card so I could use my Copic markers. So aside from that, the images are printed single-sided. They've got a little copyright thing down the bottom of them with the name of the actual image as well. So there's loads of images to choose from and it really was a pleasure colouring from this book. You can purchase these books from the Etsy shop and also Amazon and other outlets. I've seen them as well. So overall, this Inklings colouring book is the first of a series of books and it's absolutely gorgeous. I will pop all of the links that I could find down in the description below there for the book and also the artist as well. So guys, stay tuned for the speed colouring at the end, and if you would like to see a full real-time version of that, it is available on Patreon, so you can check that out in the description below or also in the top right hand corner of the video. If you'd like to see more awesome content and videos, please make sure that you do click on the thumbs up and also make sure that you've subscribed and click on the little bell if you want notifications when I upload new videos. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of those things. We also do a monthly colour along, so come and check that out in my Facebook group as well. All of those details are in the description below. Guys, sit back and enjoy the rest of the flip through and the speed colouring, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!